In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock Brave browser with a password. If you share your computer with other people or simply want an extra layer of privacy for your browsing activity, adding password protection to Brave browser can be a very useful solution. By using a browser lock extension, you can help prevent unauthorized access to your tabs, saved information, and browsing sessions. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of installing and configuring a password lock extension for Brave browser so you can keep your browsing experience more secure. To get started, open Brave browser on your computer and wait for the browser window to fully load. Once Brave is open, move your cursor to the address bar at the top of the screen and type the Chrome Web Store address, then press Enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the extension marketplace where you can install tools and add-ons that work with Brave browser. After the Chrome Web Store page appears, direct your attention to the search bar near the top of the screen. Click inside the search field and type Browser Lock, then press Enter to search for the extension. From the search results, locate the extension named Browser Lock and click on it to open its dedicated extension page. Here, you'll be able to read information about the extension, review its features, and understand how it helps secure access to your browser. On the right side of the extension page, click the Add to Brave button to begin the installation process. Brave will then display a confirmation prompt asking whether you want to add the extension to your browser. Review the permissions shown in the pop-up window, then click Add Extension to continue. Once the installation finishes, look toward the upper right corner of your browser window where your extensions are displayed. In many cases, you'll see a puzzle piece icon that opens the Extensions menu. Click on it and select Browser Lock from the list of installed extensions. When the extension window opens, click on Open Settings to access the main setup page. This is where you'll configure the password protection for your browser. You'll now see a registration form requesting account information for the extension setup. Enter your first and last name in the appropriate fields, followed by an email address that you can access if needed for account recovery purposes. Next, create a secure password for your browser lock. Choose a password that is easy for you to remember, but difficult for others to guess. After entering the password, type it again in the confirmation field to verify it matches correctly. Finally, click the Register button to save your settings and activate the browser lock feature. Once enabled, Brave browser will require the password whenever someone attempts to access the locked browser session. And that's it. You've successfully added password protection to Brave browser for improved privacy and security. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.